Hey, planner babes. Welcome back to Pretty Face Plans. This is Shonda, and I'm back with another planner related video. Actually, it's a plan with me video. I'm going to plan for the upcoming week, which is November 9th through the 15th in my classic size happy planner. So let me go ahead and pull the pages off of the disc and we'll go ahead and get started. So I'm using this planner. It's very neutral. I already like this color here because what I'm using to do the spread is one of the kits from my GOLDMINE and COCO October subscription box. I love these colors, and as you can see, that's going to work rather nicely right there. I think I'm going to use this kit. I've used some pieces off of it before on a daily layout, but I'm going to finish this up. And I also have some of the dots that came with the kits. These are not actually dots, they're hexagons. So if you're interested in seeing my spread for this week, just keep watching. So I think I said I was going to finish that kit up, but I think I just changed my mind and I'm going to go with this one because I need the, let's see, let's decide if I use that important. No, I'm going with my first mind. Okay. So I thought I had everything that I needed ready, which included my X-Acto knife, but it somehow, excuse me, gotten away from me. So let me find it again real quick. What did I do with that X-Acto knife? Falling on the other side of the thing. Okay, so what we're going to do is start out real quick with the date covers, and this is not going to take me long at all because this kit makes the planning so easy. It's just deciding where everything goes. I don't have to go and flip through sticker books and find stuff that coordinates. It's all right here. And these are my colors. I love this kit. I love this box. And I was fortunate enough to get another 10-sheet set of this kit that, the sticker pack that came in the subscription box on November release day. I brought another one of those. So I have a whole nother set of these babies. That's why I'm going ahead and using them instead of hoarding them, because I know I have another set coming. Should probably be here sometime next week. So we're going to do that for those. Okay. Then I said I was going to use this box here on Thursday. Along with another, I might have to go pull something else. Excuse me. Let's just set those right there for now. Yeah, so let's do this. Where's those words? I have a meeting on Tuesday. And then I got my sticker for that. And then let's take this washi that matches this box kind of. Put that one there. And then let's take this one. Put it right there. And it is Bills Week. Let me stick that here and do my bills. I really only have two that I have to pay manually, everything, and nope, three. Let's do another one. 3 that I do manually. Everything else is on, oops, everything else is on auto pay. Let's put this here. Crooked. Let's fix that. Right there. And then I need to remember one little meeting on Thursday. Go ahead and put this other little hexagon there. And let's put this doll and doll on here. We're gonna sit her right here on Saturday. But I want her to stand on top of this strip right here. Cute, 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 cute. Then on Sunday, excuse me, we will meal prep on Sunday. Oops, sorry. Let's see what box I want to go with. Just to use up this kit, I'm going to do this. Some things I need to buy. And I'm out of washi dots, so I'm going to take these. And I am going to, this is what I needed my X-Acto knife for. This one. It's gonna make 2. Because I'm gonna cut it like that. And so it makes those little flags to me, or arrows, whatever you want to call them. So let's do, it probably would be easier, let's try to cut this in half instead of using the X-Acto knife. I know I should have used the X-Acto knife. I can get it straighter, because cutting it, I have to try to cut it in the air. But that's a way to use your dots and preserve them, so you have twice as many, basically. And so I want to do that again on Friday. So let's go with this color this time. And I'm going to stick with my washi. I'm sorry, my X-Acto knife cutting, because I did a much better and much straighter job. And I did it with the X-Acto knife. But then you have to pull this up, flip it around. So I'm going to keep playing with this and see if, no, sorry, I'm gonna probably stick to the cutting it in the air. That's Friday, and let's do it one more time on Sunday. I need to clean off my scissors. They're little pieces of stickers stuck all to them. Now that is cute already, but I think I want to put me a little quotey quote. So let's go with this reminder: expect nothing, appreciate. Don't want to put that there. I feel like I need something here on Saturday. Let's put that here on Saturday. And then let's go ahead and do another couple of these right quick on my to buy list. Got this stuck to my finger. here. Here. Also, by cutting these in half, you make it, they're kind of big, so it makes it so that they don't take up as much space, giving me more room to write because I need more space to write. One more. So guys, excuse me, who was excited about the election results? Comment below and tell me what you were doing, how you felt when you heard the results. Was it happy for you? I know it's not happy for everyone, but it was happy for me. I got chills when I watched Miss Kamala come out on the stage. I'm gonna put another doll sticker. I don't know if this, see, that's clear, it's not gonna cover that up. Let's find one that'll cover her up, cover up that notes. Did I use all my boxes from my kid? Here we go. Okay guys, so that is my spread for the week. Took me a little longer than I anticipated, but I think it is cute. And let me know what you think about it in the comments. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you'd like to see more of my videos, you know what to do. You know what to do. Hit that red subscription button. Also hit the gray notification bell so whenever I post a new video, you'll be notified. Guys, it's been real. It's been fun. I hope it's been real fun. See you in the next video. Bye.